Hello everyone, welcome to LaTeX tutorials. In this video, I am going to very quickly show you how to write a letter using the LaTeX software. To start with, you go to the Wizards menu option and select the Quick Letter option here. You can customize your letter settings. For example, you can set the font size as 10, 11 or 12. I'll set it to 12 here. The paper size, again you have different options. I'll select A4 paper and the rest of it I'll leave it as it is. Click OK here and you can see here the document class for letter with by default settings already has appeared on the screen. You can see the encoding type is Latin. We have used two AMS packages. One is AMS Math, another one is AMS Symbol. Here is where you give your address. I will, for example, write it here as here in the place of signature, you are supposed to write your name. Coming to the document itself, we start by begin letter and this is where usually the address of the recipient will go. So I will write it to, let us say, the principal. Here is where usually you will write your subject matter. For example, I'll write it as then coming to this option which is closing, here is usually where you will write your sincerely. And this is where the body of the letter would go. I'm going to introduce some junk text into it. So once again, I'm going to use the use package option. And I will be using the Lipsum package because it includes some junk text. And here, where the body of the letter is supposed to be, I'll introduce two paragraphs directly taken from the Lipsum package. So the first two paragraphs of the Lipsum package will appear as the body of the text. Right, that's about the editing here. Let us save this and run the document. Okay, you can see this is what is your address. This is the to address and this is the subject matter. Following that is the body of the letter and at the bottom you have the closing sentence. When you take a printout of this, you can put your signature just above your name. You can also modify things. For example, here we have a CC list. If you want your letter to reach the other members of the committee as well, you can simply remove this percentage symbol and include the CC list. In a very similar fashion, you can add the postscript option. And lastly, you can also attach a list of enclosed material. Right, let me once again save it and run it and show you. Right, so as you can see here, now we have the CC list, adding a postscript, and lastly the list of enclosed materials added at the bottom of the letter. Right, that's about a very brief video on writing a letter using the LaTeX. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.